Jason, why you got me doing this to my nose all the time? Today we're going to unbox and look at the Evolve 3 and I'm going to give you my first impressions. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. I don't have a knife. That worked. Here we go. I had to do that. I do like the packaging. There we go. What is this? It's probably the power adapter. And let's take a quick look at it. The output is 12 volts and 2 amps. Very nice. We can definitely put this on a power pole adapter soon. What are those little small plugs? Now let's look at the laptop. Ooh, this is a nice size. Anything else in here? Nope. For some reason, I just like to keep all the packaging kind of in place, and where it is, I don't know. I'm just one of those guys. And hold on. There we go. Yes! The laptop. Let's just see if it powers on. No. There we go. Turning on.
Now we're going to go ahead and zoom past the Windows setup.
Here's an important thing to do. If you plan on using this outside of the office or house, or just want to have a quick, easy account, go to offline account. This will allow you to create your own user account on this computer and you don't have to sync up with any of the Microsoft stuff. Of course, limited experience. We don't want any of that stuff on this computer. Of course, it has to be Tank. You don't even have to have a password. Just click next.
Then you can go ahead and disable all this stuff. It's just tracking advertisements crap.
Be there already. First impressions, real off the bat, I love how light this laptop is. Oh, that's just nothing in my hands. I'm sure we're going to get some good battery uses out of it since it's just small. The battery's charging right now. We'll put that to a full test here coming up in another episode. And the screen's crisp. I like the screen, how it is. It's a little faded a bit, but other than that, I could deal with that. But it got us right into Windows after the normal Windows setup. I don't see anything that's really limiting on the laptop itself. Let's look at the specs real fast. It's an Intel Celeron processor, only 1.1 gigahertz. Looks like it's dual core, so that's decent. And it has 4 gigs of RAM. That's not too shabby for the price point. 60 gig hard drive, that's not bad. Windows takes up about 40 gigs. But so you have about 20 gigs worth of other space to put on there. And if we're just playing in POTA and FT8 and other things, that shouldn't be too bad. We'll have to slim down the laptop as far as programs they have pre-installed. Look at all this Office stuff. I bet we could save some space removing Office. Let's look at what else they have installed here. Groove, that's not bad. Typical Microsoft stuff. Let's get rid of Office. That's about it. Overall, there's not a lot of bloat in this, which I was expecting. On the old programs and features, only Edge is showing. And you know what the best thing to do with Edge is? Install Chrome. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so that was just my first look at this. I'm very excited to get this working and running on FT8 and get hammers installed just so I can get out and do a POTA. One last thing I need to do. Make this computer official. Yeah, boy, it is mine now. Tank Radiofied. Until next time, y'all, go forth and conquer.
You can help support the channel by Patreon or YouTube memberships. Links in the description below. And a thank you to all my supporters. Go forth and conquer.